Why is someone's dog making so much noise right now? Ugh, it's the morning, we're awake, and now it's time to do our hair, take our hair down, and have it look fabulous, darling. Will someone tell this girl that she has to do her hair? She cannot just be frolicking with this look without doing her hair. Time to do your hair. This is the crown. Hey, my own is just boom. So, I guess she's coming on to do her hair. Watch her. Let her. Tell her if it looks bad. And if it looks bad to you, maybe it looks bad because you don't have taste. You don't have taste. And don't mind my auntie. She extra. I'm going to show you how I got my hair for this look in the video that I posted before. So if you are interested, keep watching. Let's get started. So, you're going to take your scarf off. Oh, my head looks so puny. Push this oil onto my hair just to make sure it's nice and shiny. Get these edges. So now I'm going to start taking them down. I just open them like so. So this is what you're working with. Oh, the heater. Massage. I like to massage my hair. It just makes my scalp feel so good. My hair is actually still wet. So, oops. Why? I don't understand. How is this like this and this one like this? I look like that meme. That little emoji. Taking your pick through and open up the hair. My hair is still wet, so it's not going to be as puffy as I wanted it. And this side is dry. Like, I don't understand. This side is wet, this side is dry. This is what I was going for. This is what I was going for, not that. Look at this side that's dry. And look at this. What is this? Since my hair is deciding to play games, I am going to do something different. It is what it is. Okay, first things first, I'm going to split my hair down the middle, and I'm going to take off 2 mini sections of hair. These 2 pieces I will return to later on, but for now I'm just going to kind of pull them out and twist them together. Now I'm going to take one of my rubber bands and put my hair aside and start working on one section. With my gel, about that much, I'm going to rub my hands together and apply that all over my hair. But I am not going to go all the way to the end, so I'm going to stop about right there and leave that dry. Now on this, I'm going to take my detangling brush and I'm going to make sure I tie my hair towards the top, not the side, but the top. I make it about 3 times tight. I mean, kind of do whatever you want. And once you're done with one side, just kind of repeat on the other side. Same thing, same way of putting the gel, and same way of tying the hair. Now, once you're done doing that with your hair, we are now going to take our 2 pieces in the front and the gel once again, just a little bit, not as much as the first time, and just put it on the ends. Yes, I'm not putting this on the root, I'm putting it just on the ends, and then I'm just twisting my hair down. And you end up with something like this. So I'm going to repeat that on my other side. Once again, only the ends, not the whole hair. And I'm going to twist it down. This kind of keeps it nice and curly on the ends, but nice and fluffy in the middle. Okay, now taking my pick, I'm going to pick my hair out on both puffs. And I'm going to make sure when I'm doing this, I'm just shimmying from the root, but not pulling it all the way through. And there you go, done hair. So cute, and we're done. This is it. Okay, hair. And people wonder why I always do puffs. It's because my hair just dries unevenly. Just because a look doesn't come out right, it doesn't mean it can't end right. If you're interested on how I did the makeup, then please look at my other video where I show you how I get this look, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video.